Hello everyone, my name is Mohammed Itfam. So in this video, I will explain my individual project that I made during my construct week of Unit 2 at Masai School. So as you know the name of this website very well, just because of it is very popular website of entertainment. So I would like to explain about it. So this is a entertainment website that name is G5. There is a lots of options available such as movies, web series, and news and TV show also. So without wasting your time, I would like to go how you can use this website and uh, use this entertainment very well. So here is the login button option. You can simply log in here. So if you are new for this website, simply you can register here. If you are old for this website, you can simply put here the detail and you go through the homepage easily. So I am let's suppose I am a new here. So I registered my email ID here. So take a dummy email. I would like to explain about how it is work. So I would like to enter my password. So now confirm the password. So wait, I hope I match. So now you can go here, simply put the detail here. I would like to enter my password. Simply log. Here you can see the pop-up will appear that say that a login successful means you are eligible to see what is going on this website. So click the login button. Now the home page will appear. You can easily see what you want. So here I will also low button is converted into logout. I mean, if you want to log out from this website, you can simply click here is and you can log out from this website. So I would like to simply explain about my website. There is a lots of options available. So I would like to go through the filter option where you can easily filter your options. So here is a choose a filter option is available. You can go and there is a lots of options available in this pop-up. So simply I would like to go action one. So there is a free movie or free series will be appear. You can simply go whatever you go like. So if you are not interested, just refresh this page and you can research with the help of scroll bar. So now so you can see there is a lots of option available such as TV show, TV show. There is a TV show pop-up will appear and there is a lots of serials is available on this page. If you click on the movie option, you can simply go a list of movie. There is a lots of movie available in this page. If you go web series, there is a lot. There is a pop-up will appear of the web series. You can simply see how it is with the help of click on the particular options. So now there is also option of music option. You can simply go and listen to music. I would like to simply play a little bit for this convenient to how it is work. So see how it is work. See, so it is a little bit working for the website. So now I would like to enter my point. I hope you like my website that I cloned and I am ready for the queries. That's all. Thank you for listening. Have a good day. Wow.